The moment a luxury car rolls off the dealership lot, it loses value faster than most people can blink. Imagine paying $100,000 just to peel the plastic off the seats, only to see 5 years later it's worth $30,000. That's a $70,000 windfall, but not for the first owner. That's your profit. Depreciation isn't just a number on a balance sheet. It's the largest wealth transfer in the automotive world, quietly taking money from people who paid full price and giving it to those who wait, watch, and know where to strike. Now, let me be clear, most cheap luxury cars are financial landmines. They promise the thrill of owning a high-end brand, but often deliver nothing but repair bills and headaches. You could easily spend more fixing them than the car is worth. But here's the exciting part. I've dug deep and found 10 luxury cars that have already hit rock-bottom prices, and here's the kicker, they are actually reliable. These aren't gimmicks, they aren't exceptions, they're the sweet spot between luxury and practicality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cars deliver luxury without bleeding your wallet dry, which engines to trust, and what to watch for so you never fall into the trap of buying a money pit. Number 10. Hyundai Equus. If you strip the badges off a Hyundai Equus, most people would swear you just parked a Mercedes S-Class or even a Bentley in your driveway. When it first came out, Hyundai priced it so high that few dared to buy it. But today, you can grab one for around $11,000. That's right, a full-size luxury limousine for less than a used Corolla. Under the hood sits a 5-liter Tau V8 pumping out 429 horsepower. It's naturally aspirated, which means no turbos, no forced induction nightmares, just smooth, reliable power. Mechanics and enthusiasts alike consider this one of the most dependable V8s ever made. Inside, the Equus spoils you. The rear seats recline like a private jet cabin, a small refrigerator lives in the center console, and the air suspension makes every bump feel like a whisper. Sure, the air suspension might fail eventually, but repairs run about $500 per corner, a small price to pay for the luxury this car delivers. In short, the Hyundai Equus lets you drive a V8 limousine for bargain prices, offering comfort, power, and reliability in one sleek package. If you want a car that turns heads without draining your bank account, this is where you start. Number 9. Audi A8 D4. Audi's D4 A8 is the kind of car that makes you feel like you've arrived before you even open the door. Built on an aluminum space frame, it's lighter than steel, rust-proof, and remarkably solid. Most buyers shy away from used Audis because of their V8 engines, and for good reason. They're expensive to maintain. Here's the trick. Skip the V8 and hunt for the 3.0T. This supercharged V6 borrowed from the Audi S4 delivers robust power, is tunable, and famously reliable. You still get the flagship presence, the enormous interior, and quattro all-wheel drive, but without the wallet-busting headaches of the V8. There's one caveat. The PCV valve and thermostat are plastic, and around 80,000 miles they might need replacement, which runs about $1,200. Even with that, you're looking at a car that originally sold for $90,000, but today can be yours for just $14,000. That's a fraction of the price for all the luxury, tech, and performance you get. Number 8. Infiniti Q70L. The L in Q70L stands for long wheelbase, and that means one thing: legroom that rivals an S-Class. Slide into the back seat, and suddenly your daily commute feels more like a first-class flight. Under the hood, you get a 5.6-liter V8, the same engine found in the Nissan Titan and Patrol, delivering 420 horsepower through a smooth 7-speed automatic. No CVTs here, just pure, traditional power that drives beautifully whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets. All-wheel drive comes standard, and mechanically, this car is a tank. It's reliable, practical, and astonishingly affordable. Many examples are available for under $15,000. The only catch, the interior design feels a little dated compared to modern luxury sedans, but for a driver who prioritizes performance and reliability, it's a small compromise. For a luxury sedan that looks impressive, drives like a dream, and costs a fraction of its original price, the Q70L is a sleeper hit waiting for the right owner. Number 7. Acura RLX Sport Hybrid. Acura made a quiet mistake with this one. It looks understated, almost boring, but underneath it hides some serious tech from the NSX supercar. A front-wheel V6 drives the front wheels, while 2 independent electric motors power the rear, creating torque vectoring that corners like a small sports car. With 377 horsepower, this hybrid rocket reaches 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds, while still returning around 30 mpg in the city. That's performance and efficiency wrapped into one understated luxury sedan. On the inside, you get jewel-eye LED headlights and the reliability you expect from Honda. The downside? Parts can be rare. If you crash it, replacing components like a bumper might take weeks, but mechanically, this car runs forever. The RLX Sport Hybrid proves you can get cutting-edge performance, comfort, and longevity for a fraction of the price, making it a hidden gem for savvy buyers. Number 6. Cadillac XTS. If your goal is to glide down the highway in pure comfort, the Cadillac XTS is your pick. This sedan replaced the old DeVille in DTS and was built for one thing: luxury on wheels. Every drive feels effortless thanks to magnetic ride control, the same suspension system Ferrari uses, which reads the road thousands of times per second and adjusts shocks instantly. Under the hood sits a 3.6L V6, bulletproof, reliable, and smooth. Interiors are rock solid, with materials that wear like iron and doors that close with a satisfying thud you just don't get in newer models. It's the kind of car that commands respect in any valet line. Mechanic warning: the Q infotainment touchscreen has a reputation for delaminating and cracking under heat. If it's damaged, replacement costs about $1,000, so factor that in when negotiating. Even with that small caveat, this car offers flagship luxury and ride quality for a fraction of its original price, making it a sleeper choice for anyone seeking comfort without a massive investment. Number 5. Volvo S8 V8. For a few wild years, Volvo decided to mix safety with speed, and the result was the S8 V8. Yamaha, yes, the motorcycle company, built the engine, creating a compact, high-revving V8 that sounds like a Ferrari, yet is surprisingly reliable. The car itself is built like a tank. Thick steel, supportive seats, and all-wheel drive make it one of the safest sleepers on the road. Despite its European engineering, prices are shockingly low, often under $8,000, because people shy away from used European V8s. Mechanic heads up? The alternator is hidden deep inside the engine bay, making replacement a labor-intensive job. But once that's done, you have a 311 horsepower luxury powerhouse that's safer than almost anything else on the road and for a fraction of the cost. Number 4. 2011 BMW 528i. Buying a used BMW usually feels like a financial gamble, but the 2011 528i is the sweet spot. Why 2011 specifically? It's the last year BMW used the N52 inline-6, naturally aspirated, no turbo, no direct injection. This is widely regarded as the most reliable modern BMW engine. You get the modern F10 body style with the old-school dependable powertrain, giving you a car that looks like a $30,000 luxury sedan, but can be found for around $9,000. Smooth handling, balanced ride, and that iconic BMW driving feel come standard, without the ticking time bomb of the turbo models that followed in 2012. Mechanic note: keep an eye on routine maintenance like cooling system components and suspension bushings, but nothing here hits the wallet like the later N20 N55 turbo engines. This is one of those rare luxury bargains where reliability meets style at an irresistible price. Number 3. Lincoln Continental. The Lincoln Continental is a rare case where a luxury sedan lost almost everything in value, but retained every bit of comfort and style. New, these cars stickered around $70,000, but today you can find a modern Continental for about $16,000. That's an 80% drop. Some models even have the rare black label trim with coach doors that swing backward like a Rolls-Royce, but even the standard versions feel special. Hidden chrome door handles, 30-way adjustable seats, and a plush, quiet cabin make this car feel like a private jet on the road. Underneath, it shares a platform with the Ford Taurus, meaning parts are cheap and mechanics familiar. That means modern luxury, incredible comfort, and reliable mechanics without the price tag. Depreciation here isn't a risk, it's an opportunity to own a true American luxury icon for next to nothing. Number 2. Mercedes W212 E-Class 2014 to 2016 facelift models. Ask a seasoned German taxi driver what the best car ever made is, and most will say the W212 E-Class, specifically the facelift models from 2014 to 2016. These cars were built to a standard, not a price, and it shows in every detail. Under the hood, you get the naturally aspirated M276 V6, bulletproof, reliable, and smooth. Interiors are rock solid, with materials that wear like iron and doors that close with a satisfying thud you just don't get in newer models. It's the kind of car that commands respect in any valet line. Mechanic heads up, the alternator is hidden deep inside the engine bay, making replacement a labor-intensive job. But once that's done, you have a 311 horsepower luxury powerhouse that's safer than almost anything else on the road, and for a fraction of the cost. Number 1. Lexus LS460. If you thought the LS430 was impressive, the LS460 takes it even further. Bigger, faster, and with a modern look that still turns heads. Under the hood sits a 4.6-liter V8 pumping 380 horsepower, delivering silent, effortless power at 100 miles per hour. Every detail screams refinement. Soft closed doors, a heated steering wheel, and radar cruise control, even in a 2010 model. Mechanic heads up, the front suspension eats control arms roughly every 60,000 miles, costing about $2,000 to replace, and the brake actuator can click when failing. But these are minor hurdles for a car that feels like a private jet on the road. Stickered at $90,000 new, you can grab one today for about $12,000. That's a fraction of the cost for a full-size luxury sedan with the reliability Lexus is known for. Owning the LS460 is the pinnacle of buying smart, a car that blends performance, comfort, and prestige while avoiding the massive depreciation that ruins most luxury vehicles. So what's the bottom line? Buying a cheap luxury car doesn't have to be a gamble. When you choose wisely, you're not just saving money, you're getting a vehicle that delivers style, performance, and comfort far beyond its price tag. Avoid the modern disposables, cars built to break down the moment the warranty expires. Those might look flashy, but they'll drain your wallet faster than you can say premium trim. The 10 cars we covered today hit the sweet spot. Real luxury, reliable engines, and features that make you feel like you stepped into a CEO's driveway, but without the financial regret. From the Hyundai Equus to the Lexus LS460, each vehicle gives you high-end performance and comfort at a fraction of the original cost. Pick the right one, maintain it well, and you're not just buying a car, you're making a smart investment in driving enjoyment and value that others miss out on.